Well, we got us a bite to eat, and we got the stone delivered. Next phase, you know what's going to happen. Some equipment operation. Show you what we got here. Okay, so we got the stone, one excavator, a new 11-inch bucket that we built. We cut this out, 51-inch grading bucket, and we're using the MX 5200 Kubota, the Kimco 700 with a pile of tools. I'm going to be running some wire here. Dom, did we bring the wire? Did we bring the wire? I don't think we brought the wire. We're gonna put a post in. No, the actual wire itself. Yeah, we definitely did not bring the wire, so we're gonna have to go get that. Yeah, we got a bunch of tools here. Side by side, box blade. We should have everything we need. We'll go up and spray some lines on the ground and get things going. All right, here's the deal. This is a muddy mess, and I hate making messes, but in order to make this better, I'm gonna have to make it worse. So I'll show you what we got. This is what we got here. We got, believe it or not, when I've dug this out, the tractor, so it's nice and dry, but obviously we got water here. So I'm gonna reach in and I'm gonna pull this whole area down, 3 or 4 inches. Put some stone in here, and then I'm gonna put a tile right along this wall down through where this wet area is. I mean, I put a little bit of thing in here. Oh man, this is nasty. My sewer comes out of my house here, so I'm gonna have to kind of miss that, and then I will daylight it into the ditch down there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go on this side of the ditch or that side of the ditch, one side or the other. I'm gonna put it down here, but the whole purpose of this, I waited because I really want to put some electric down here to my fuel pump, so I don't have to run a cord every time. That would be super nice. But we will definitely see how it goes. Maybe 120 feet. Get to try out the new 11-inch bucket. Pretty excited about trying out the new bucket. Hopefully it works out well. But we will see how it goes. Boxed out now, cut down the grade. I'm going to go ahead and dig this tile line in, start daylighting this thing. there she is. I got it boxed out. I put some fabric paper in here. Put a light layer of stone on this. I got my wire on one side of the ditch, drain tile on the other. We'll go down through, dump the drain tile in the ditch, run my wire to the power fuel pump there, so should be good. Kimco's got a little load on her. Tailgate spread down. Dump it. Hold on. Come on, pick it up. Come on, boy. Here, let me see that thing. You gonna do this or what?
Is the thing even unlatched?
Come on, give me that. Hang on this.
That's because it's not even unlatched.
Well, we got the wire run, ditch is dug. I tell you, the one little 1 foot bucket is working nice. I shouldn't say 1 foot, it's 11 inches, but just powers through everything here. Oh yeah, she's working good. Put our post in here, direct buried our line. I kind of bedded it in. We're gonna run this conduit stub up out, put a little power outlet right there, so I can get a little to there, to there. Then if I want to plug my truck in down there during the winter, I can, but yeah, she ought to work. Got my drain tile down there. So, shouldn't have much more water issues here, I hope.